Good day. This is my Prince 2 5 minutes video for the course Entrepreneurship and Innovation. The content of this video, I will be talking about what Prince 2 is and the core concepts. And I will be explaining how Prince 2 can be used in innovation and innovation teams. And finally, I will be relating it with my past project and how Prince 2 could improve it. What is Prince 2? Prince 2 is an acronym, Project in Control Environment. It's a widely used project management method that navigates you through all the essentials for running a successful project. It provides with greater control of resources and the ability to manage business and project risk more effectively. It is a project management method designed to provide a framework covering the wide variety of disciplines and activities required within a project. Prince 2 is a very flexible method and is aimed at all types of projects. It's a process-based method for effective project management. In practice of Prince 2, there are assigned roles. I will just quickly list the roles within a Prince 2 project. We have the executive, or rather customers. We have the project board, which consists of a member of the executive. The project board consists of a representative from the executive, the user, and the supplier, which is a specialist. This make up the project board. Within the Prince 2 project, there is a team manager, project manager, project assurance, and project support. In a Prince 2 project, there are four main integrated elements, which are the 7 principles, the 7 themes, and the 7 processes. I will be talking about this later. But the fourth one, tailoring Prince 2, which the project board and the project manager will decide on how to really tailor the Prince 2 into their specific project. The 7 principles of Prince 2. Prince 2 states that that each project must possess the 7 principles. The 7 principles are the best practices or the good characteristics of a project. I will list them. One is the first one is a continued business case. This is to continue to verify if the project is viable. Then the second one is to define roles and responsibilities. The third one is learn from experiences from past projects. The third one is managed by exception. Tailor to suit the project, focus on our products, manage by stages. The 7 themes. The 7 themes are the necessary items that need to be continually addressed during the project. The themes provides the necessary knowledge to build the project foundation. The 7 themes are the business case, organization, quality, plans, risk, change, and progress. All these make up the 7 themes that need to be continually addressed during the project. The 7 processes. The 7 processes are activities designed to achieve a project objective. It begins by starting up a project. That is the first process. Initiating a project, directing a project, managing a stage boundaries, controlling a stage, managing product delivery, and closing a project. These activities are designed from the beginning to the end of a Prince2 project. Prince2 in practice. Here I will talk about how Prince2 works. First, it is triggered by a project mandate to starting up a project. This starting up a project stage. This is where the project management team is formed, and the project brief, it is defined, and this is also the stage that the initiation stage plan is produced. So after these activities, the project board will meet, and they will meet, and this will start up what is called directing a project phase, which will be managing the whole Prince2 project life cycle. In this meeting, they are going to be reviewing if the project needs to be approved for the next stage, and if in fact the project is approved, this will now initiate the next phase, which is initiating a project. In this phase, two main documents will come out of this stage, which is the project initiation documentation, which includes a refinement of the business case, and again how the project is going to work, how they are going to the organization of this project, how it will be organized, how they are going to be communicating. This is where all these things need to be defined. And importantly, the second document that comes out is the benefit review plan, that we clearly define and state the benefit of this project. This will be controlled by the managing a stage boundary. This managing the boundary will now defined. We sit down. Will be used by the project board to make a decision and formulating a stage plan for the next stage. If they sit down during the assessment stage, they will decide if the next if this project need to go to the next stage. If it's in fact decided that it need to go to the next stage, this will be the management the controlling a stage stage will be initiated. This is where the project manager really have to come to life. He is the one that need to manage the stages. He is the one to give a task to the project team through work packages. These work packages will be approved first by the project manager and be given to the project team, which will now review and approve it, and they will inform back the project manager on how they want to go ahead with this work package. And within this work package, there is a work description or a product description that need to be done or by this project team. So when this product is ready, the work package completion will inform the project manager, which will approve the work done, and this thing can go in circles or in parallels, depending on the project. So after a product is approved by the project manager have to inform the project board through highlight report. This can be a report that the project board will review, and the management team will inform the project manager through a checkpoint. So when the project board need to make a decision for the next stage, they will now review this highlight report from the project manager, and this will go on and on and on for as long as the project takes, and it's all in different stages. Eventually, it's going to come to closing a project stage, which they will now approve, and this will initiate the management product delivery stage, and this will happen as just the previous stage, but when everything is approved and is coming to a close, and the project manager has decided and reviewed that this project has come to a close, he will now make a recommendation to the project board for the closing of a project, and it is the management board that have the authority to close the project by reviewing the overall project, and people that are going to be in this meeting will be all the stakeholders, the project team, the project managers, the executives, and the project owner. The users, all of them will be there to give their feedback on this project, and if everything goes positively, the project board will officially close this project. That is how Prince 2 projects work in innovation and in team work. Relating it to my past project, this is a project that I did. The design goal was to design and create a bin that is attractive, inviting, and exciting to the user. If in fact Prince 2 was used, the project will be triggered by a design brief. This design brief will be reviewed by the will be initiated by, there will be a project mandate. This project mandate will start this starting up a project, which will, in this starting up a project, we are going to form a team. We will be reviewing the project, the design brief, and we have to come up with a plan on how we are going to go along this project. And if we start and decide to go to the initiating a project stage, that is where we redefine the business case, we redefine the design brief, and we have to come up with a benefit review plan that will show the benefit of this project. Then we will come back again, and through the managing a stage boundary, we will have to decide on how far we've gone with the project, and if in fact we can go along to the next stage. This will lead us to the managing a product delivery, where task will be given to the manager, to the project manager, and to the project team, and the different tasks will be done and be put together to form this a whole project. And in fact, I will state again, this was a very complex project that contains a lot of components, a lot of expertise were required. So using Prince 2 would have helped us to really structure the different tasks and the different roles for this project. It would have been, I think, a very easy, not easy. It would have been, it would have made it very, very easy for us to follow step by step. That was how I would have used it for my past project. Using a Prince 2 project provides a common and a consistent approach, a controlled and organized start, middle, and end. It provides a regular review of progress against plan and against the business case, which is really very important. It is a method that is very flexible. It uses assurance that the project continue to have a business justification. So many of these benefits of using a Prince2 are very apparent when this method is being used. Thank you very much. That was it for Prince2, created by Peter Ayorobo.